Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Medical bills will harm your credit. Medical bills can harm your credit in several ways. Reporting to credit bureaus. When you receive medical treatment and don't pay your bills on time, medical providers may report your unpaid bills to credit bureaus. This can result in a negative entry on your credit report. Collection accounts. If you fail to pay your medical bills, they may be sent to a collections agency. Collection agencies specialize in debt collection and will aggressively pursue payment. Having a medical debt in collections on your credit report can significantly lower your credit score. Credit score impact. A single medical bill that goes to collections can cause a significant drop in your credit score. This can make it more difficult to qualify for loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. High medical debt levels. Medical bills can add up quickly, especially if you require extensive medical treatment or surgery. High levels of medical debt can negatively impact your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in determining your credit score. High utilization ratios can lead to lower credit scores. Credit reporting errors. Sometimes, medical bills may be reported inaccurately to credit bureaus. This can happen due to billing errors or misunderstandings with medical providers. It's essential to regularly review your credit report to identify and dispute any inaccuracies. Unpaid medical bills in public records. In some cases, unpaid medical bills can result in judgments or liens against you. These public records can appear on your credit report and have a severe negative impact on your credit score. Difficulty getting future care. If you have unpaid medical bills, healthcare providers may be reluctant to provide you with further treatment until your outstanding balances are resolved. This can further compound your medical and financial problems. To mitigate the potential harm to your credit from medical bills, consider the following steps. Review your medical bills. Check your medical bills for errors or discrepancies. Make sure you are only being billed for services you actually received and that the charges are accurate. Communicate with providers. If you are facing financial difficulties, don't hesitate to communicate with your healthcare providers. They may offer payment plans or financial assistance programs to help you manage your medical bills. Negotiate with collections agencies. If your medical debt has already gone to collections, you can try to negotiate a settlement or payment plan with the collections agency. Sometimes, they may be willing to accept a reduced amount as a settlement. Pay on time. Whenever possible, pay your medical bills on time to prevent them from going to collections and negatively impacting your credit. Monitor your credit report. Regularly check your credit report to ensure accuracy. If you find any errors related to medical bills, dispute them with the credit reporting agencies. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.